Good afternoon, everyone. I'm honored to have an opportunity to present on this platform today. Last year, our Honorable Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Since then, there has been a lot of talk as to what needs to be done, how many toilets need to be built, but there is little discussion as to how we are going to do it. Let us take a perspective on these things. So, as we can see, the UNICEF says that more than 50% people, you may be aware that more than 50% of the country doesn't have access to toilets, and about 12 crore toilets need to be built. So, approximately speaking, it's a $25 billion opportunity. But still, it is surprising that we haven't seen big established construction companies to come forward and embrace this challenge openly. Why is this so? So before we come to that, let me introduce myself. I'm Shantanu Vaichal and I'm representing Saral Precast Solutions. I'm a civil engineer by profession, and our parent company has been in construction for the past 20 years. For us, it started out as a research project, and as you can see, we had prepared precast shells for structural members like beams, columns, and slabs. But then we thought that this technology was best suited for a generic product, like say a toilet block. At that time, our concern was primarily focused on construction sites, where we had to provide sanitation facilities for the construction labor. And that is why we thought that why not try this out. And then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan got launched, and we also got a boost out of it. So, coming back to the earlier question, why won't a construction company be willingly involved in a toilet project? As you can see, if we consider conventional construction, it comes with its own challenges. Firstly, the requirement is majorly in remote and rural areas which have limited access to construction material. Secondly, you don't have the required workforce, skilled, unskilled workforce, masons, carpenters and all. Thirdly, arranging all this, you have to monitor the construction activity, you have to get it done right, you have to get the design right and implement it. But then at the end of the day, the overheads run out of hand, and it becomes unaffordable. And you don't earn any money in being involved in this project. Also, the work is scattered over a large area, so you don't even find good people who would be willing to work in these areas. So at Saral, we have developed a technology which is precast ferrocement, where we have created panels, thin concrete panels, which have high strength, good finish, and long durability, and can be used as wall panels for toilets. So this is what the product looks like. So what we are doing is we are just nut bolting these panels together and erecting toilet blocks within a matter of hours. We have also developed a septic tank that can come along with it. And as you can see, the installation is quite easy. You don't require any heavy machinery, you don't require any skilled workforce. The panels get stacked up and they are transported to the site, and then using just even unskilled laborers can do the erection part. So this toilet has a variety of applications, like they can be used for mass installation, rural areas, tribal areas, for schools, remote areas, construction sites, farmlands, etc. And it is the first time that a factory-made concrete toilet can be constructed with such ease and affordability within the least possible time. So let us look at some of the projects that we have done. We have worked with several NGOs, Gram Panchayats, developers, corporates, and I would like to mention that we are actively working with Rotary clubs, especially Rotary Club Pune Shivaji Nagar, who have taken up a washroom in schools program. So these are some of the projects that we have done. This is a slum installation, which is, as you can see, in a very confined space. Then these are community toilets in rural and semi-urban areas. This is a school toilet. Then we have worked with the Tata's CSR project in Tamini, where we constructed 46 toilets within a matter of 10 days. This is a construction site, and this is what the toilet looks from inside and outside. So looking ahead, we would like to involve local agency, we would like to generate local entrepreneurship through this, and at the end of the day, we want to provide a do-it-yourself kit for the toilets. The further challenges are scaling it up, introducing mechanization, and adopting alternative sewage treatment and other technologies. We have also been awarded for the innovative and affordable toilet at the Indian Sanitation Summit last year. Thank you.